come the 105s. I think Morning Glory is winning the whole regatta. It's pretty close. They got one guy a boat length and a half behind them. They're going to have to do a jibe. The other guy's got starboard advantage. That's Morning Glory is just brown. Come up a little bit. I don't think I'll make the finish on that jibe, but honestly, I think they jibed a little early. Oh, we got Warhorse. They're gonna go further. They can see. I think this is our very own Justin. Or no, Fritz. No, that's Justin. They're thinking about. Oh, nice spinnaker, guys. I think Warhorse gonna get this guy. Really like that. Definitely think Warhorse played that one right. Not sure why Morning Glory jibed so early, but the mighty Warhorse and our very own American Yacht Club All-Star instructor Justin steering. Gonna take it. They got starboard advantage. Not even close. Dusted them at the end. Morning Glory's still winning the regatta, I'm pretty sure. Nice race, guys. Any words for our TV viewers? How you pulled that out at the end?
Over early to first.
Over early?
Over early to first. Deep in the game.
Wow. Nice going. I thought Morning Glory jibed a little early there.
Yeah, a little too early.
Nice going.